Practical number 14. Types of cleavage. This question in practical exam, question 5F. Identify and describe in 2 marks. In this practical, there are 2 parts based on cleavage plane. In this part, meridional plane, second, vertical plane, third, equatorial plane, fourth, latitudinal cleavage. Then B, based on cell division. There are 2 parts, holoblastic cleavage and meroblastic cleavage. Holoblastic cleavage, 3 parts: radial cleavage, second, spiral cleavage, and last, third, bilateral cleavage. In this part, B, meroblastic cleavage. In meroblastic cleavage, discoidal cleavage, superficial cleavage. Now, all this part we know deeply in this lecture. Hello everyone, Unit 4, Animal Behavior and Embryology. 4.4, second topic, Types of Cleavage. The term cleavage or segmentation is applied to the early repeated mitotic division of the fertilized eggs or zygote, resulting in 2, 4, 8, 16 and more daughter cells called blastomers. The daughter cells do not separate but remain attached with one another, forming embryonic stages. According to Farrows, cleavage is of 2 types, radial and spiral. Radial. In radial cleavage, the furrows line up in successivity spiral. In spiral cleavage, the furrows are at right angle to each other. The type of egg, according to the amount of yolk, also determines the type of cleavage and the method of blastulation, gastrulation and further development. Accordingly, the main types of cleavage are recognized. Superficial. It is characteristic of centrolethal eggs of arthropods. Cell division is restricted to a superficial peripheral layer of cytoplasm around yolk. Hence, the term superficial cleavage. a distinct germinal relationship existing between blastomers in early cleavage divisions. These plans of division are following types: meridional plane of cleavage. When cleavage furrows bisect both the poles passing through center of the X, it is called meridional plane of cleavage. The median axis runs between centers of animal pole and vegetal pole. Vertical plane of cleavage. When cleavage furrow passes any axis but not the median axis from animal pole towards opposite pole, it is called vertical plane of cleavage. Equatorial plane of cleavage. This type of cleavage plane divides the egg halfway between the animal and vegetal poles, and the line of division runs at right angle to median axis. Latitudinal plane of cleavage. This is almost similar of equatorial plane of cleavage, but furrows runs through the cytoplasm on either side of equatorial plane.